Here's the surprise: some of the best sewing machines in 2026 aren't the most expensive. The right machine can turn frustrating sewing into a smooth, creative experience. With powerful motors, multiple stitches, and easy features like automatic threading, today's home machines can handle clothing, repairs, and quilting projects faster and easier. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Brother CS7000X. The Brother CS7000X is a computerized sewing and quilting machine that is good for beginners and more experienced sewers. It helps you make clothes, home crafts, quilts, repairs, and other projects with ease. It has an easy-to-read LCD screen that shows you the stitch number, length, and width settings, so you can pick what you want without guessing. This machine includes 70 built-in stitches, such as straight stitches for regular sewing, decorative stitches to make patterns, and quilting stitches for larger fabric pieces. It also has 7 one-step buttonholes, so you can make neat buttonholes without a lot of steps. Threading the needle is easier because the machine has an automatic needle threader. The bobbin drops in from the top, so you don't have to struggle to load it. The sewing speed goes up to about 750 stitches per minute, which helps you finish work faster. The CS7000X comes with useful accessories, including 10 presser feet, a wide table for large projects like quilts, and a hard protective case for storage. The free arm feature makes it simple to sew sleeves, cuffs, and pant legs. It also has buttons for start/stop, reverse sewing, and speed control, so you can sew with or without the foot pedal. Overall, the Brother CS7000X is a versatile, user-friendly machine that's great for everyday sewing, decorations, and larger quilting projects. Whether you are just learning or want more features than a basic model, this machine gives you good value with lots of options in one package. Number 4. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is a strong, reliable sewing machine that helps you make and fix many kinds of fabric projects. It has a powerful motor that sews up to 1,100 stitches per minute, which is much faster than many regular home sewing machines. This means you can finish your sewing projects faster and with smooth, strong stitches. Inside, the machine has a heavy-duty metal frame, so it stays steady and lasts a long time, even when you sew thick materials like denim, canvas, or multiple layers of fabric. The stainless steel bed plate lets the fabric move smoothly as you stitch. The Singer 4423 has 23 built-in stitches, including basic straight and zigzag stitches, stretch stitches, and decorative options. It also includes an automatic one-step buttonhole feature so you can make buttonholes easily in one simple step. Other useful features include an automatic needle threader that helps you put the thread through the needle without straining your eyes, a top-loading bobbin that is easy to insert and watch, and a free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves. You can adjust the presser foot pressure for lightweight or very heavy fabrics, and change stitch length and width to match your project. Overall, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is a practical and durable sewing machine that is good for beginners and experienced sewists who want speed, strength, and comfort in one machine. Number 3. Bernette B77. The Bernette B77 is a computerized sewing and quilting machine that gives you many creative options and makes sewing easier and more fun. It is good for beginners and experienced sewists who want a machine with lots of built-in stitches and helpful features. This machine has a big 5-inch color touchscreen that shows all the stitch choices and settings clearly. You can easily pick the stitch type, adjust length and width, and even get guidance from the built-in sewing consultant that gives tips based on your project. The B77 comes with 500 built-in stitches, including straight stitches, decorative patterns, quilting stitches, and 17 one-step buttonhole styles, more than most basic machines. It can sew at speeds up to 1,000 stitches per minute, so you can work fast and finish projects quickly. One of the special features is the dual feed system, which helps move both top and bottom layers of fabric evenly. This makes it easier to sew slippery materials or many layers like quilts without the fabric slipping or bunching. There's also a semi-automatic needle threader to help you thread the needle without strain, and a programmable foot control that lets you set what happens when you press the pedal. The machine's workspace is large, and it includes a big extension table to support large fabrics. It also comes with multiple presser feet for different tasks, like zipper sewing, embroidery, and free motion quilting. Overall, the Bernette B77 is a powerful, versatile machine with modern controls and many stitches that help you make clothes, quilts, home items, and decorative projects with ease. Number 2. JUKI TL 2000X. The JUKI TL 2000X is a powerful mechanical sewing and quilting machine known for strong, smooth stitching and professional-style performance. It is especially popular with quilters, garment makers, bag makers, and people who sew heavy or thick fabrics. Unlike many home machines, it focuses on the straight stitch only. That means it does not do zigzag stitches, but it does that one stitch very well and very reliably. One of the strongest points of the TL2000X is its high sewing speed. It can sew up to about 1,500 stitches per minute, making big projects go faster. The body is made from die-cast aluminum, which makes the machine stable with less vibration, so your stitches look neat and even. The machine has features that help everyday sewing: an automatic needle threader so you don't strain your eyes, LED lights that brighten the work area, and a thread cutter that trims both top and bobbin threads with a button or your foot pedal. The presser foot pressure can be adjusted for different fabrics, and the feed dogs can be lowered for free motion quilting. It also comes with an extended table that gives you more space when working on quilts or large pieces, and a knee lifter lever to raise the presser foot without using your hands. Overall, the JUKI TL 2000X is a durable, reliable machine that feels closer to a small industrial machine than a typical home model. Excellent if you want power and precision for straight stitch sewing and quilting. Number 1. Janome MC6650. The Janome MC6650 is a computerized sewing and quilting machine made for people who want strong performance and lots of features in one machine. It is designed to handle a wide range of projects, from clothing and quilts to home decor and decorative sewing. This machine has a large 10-inch all-metal flatbed workspace that gives you plenty of room to work on bigger fabrics like quilts without the fabric bunching up. It can sew up to 1,000 stitches per minute, so you can finish larger projects faster. The MC6650 comes with about 170 built-in stitches in 2 alphabet fonts for monogramming or adding custom text to your projects. There are 9 one-step buttonholes built in, and you can change stitch length and width to suit different fabrics and effects. For ease of use, this machine includes a superior automatic needle threader, automatic thread cutter, and memorized needle up/down so the needle stops in the position you set. It also has bright LED lights in multiple places so you can see your stitching clearly. Other useful features are an LCD screen for choosing stitches and settings, a speed control slider, and a start/stop button so you can sew without using the foot pedal. The machine also includes many presser feet to help with different sewing tasks.